Hello everyone. This video we are going to look for a Central University of Kerala announced for PhD admission for the academic year 2025 and 2026. Okay, for this last date to apply for 16th October 2025. So from here we can look what are the department, how much fees, whether any entrance examination will be available, what will be the eligibility criteria. All those things we are going to look in this video. Let's see. So first we can look for important date for this one. For online registration has been started 25th September 2025 and for the last date will be 16th October 2025. Okay, and how much for the fees in a sense for UR, that is general category, and OBC as well as for EWS need to pay for 100 rupees. SC ST PWD candidate need to pay for 500 rupees. So what are the eligibility criteria as well as what are the department is available, just you have to go for a respective university website, and from here it will be coming over here related to PhD notification. Okay, so the many information is scrolling. So what you need to do, once you're going, this is what the main page, once you're coming down, and from here you can look. If it is not coming this way, just you can click over here for more. Once you're clicking this one for more, from here it's available notification for PhD admission 2025 and 26. Published date on 26th. Okay, it's been started on 26th, so you need to click over here. Once you're clicking this one, this respective detail will be coming. Okay, once you're downloading this one, it will be showing like this. And from here, eligibility criteria, if you're looking in a sense, you need to get it for 55% of marks for the PG. Okay, and for 70, suppose if you're doing for 4 years integrated course in a sense, you should possess for 75% of marks. And for MPhil, if you're possessing in a sense, you should possess for 55% of marks. This is the minimum eligibility criteria for PhD admission. And SC ST OBC candidate, they are giving for 5% relaxation, and OBC for non-creamy layer 5% relaxation in a sense. From here it has provided for 55%, so you can keep it for 50% of marks, you are also eligible. And from here, so if you're an OBC or SC ST in a sense, you can keep it for 70% of marks, that is also eligible. This is the first criteria, as well as you need to possess for any JRF. Okay, it is CSIR or UGC NET or GAT or CET. So this kind of any national level examination have you completed. Okay, based on interview you will get it for a JRF, right? And this candidate, as well as suppose either JRF or else NET or PhD, because 3 criteria has been released through NET, right? So those candidate, if you completed only for PhD or PhD with the assistant professor, that means for NET, you're also eligible in this. This is a way they will select, and after that they will conduct for interview. By that way they will select for final candidate. So this is the information related to fees detail. That is what we already looked. And what are the vacancies available for each and every department, it has been provided over here. In economics for 1, general and OBC for 3, as well as other categories will be available over here, SC ST and EWS. Suppose if there is any query in a sense, respective department contact detail will be provided, so you can make a call or else you can send through email and get the information on it. If you're looking over here for other department, these are all the departments you can look, and this channel mainly focus for management studies. So if you're looking for management studies and commerce, if you're looking in a sense, this many number of vacancies will be there for PhD. And if there is any query, you can conduct for you can make a call to respective department HOD. That's the information has been provided over here. Apart, totally 26 department they are conducting this PhD entrance. That means for PhD admissions. Okay, and from here they have been given 5% of seat, each and every category 5% of seat will be allotted for reservation policy for disability candidate. Okay, so that's the information also provided, and the final decision will be what is a department head will be taken. That is what DRC committee will be taking. No, so based on that only the final result will be announced. Okay, that's the information has been provided over here. I think this respective information will be helpful to you. If there is any query respective HOD, you can send through email and raise the query on it, and you can clarify. After that you can apply. I think this information will be helpful to you. If it is helpful in a sense, you can like as well as you can subscribe this channel if you're not a subscriber, and suggest to your friends those who are looking for this kind of PhD admission related things, as well as UGC net management. If you're writing in a sense set, net and related to management competitive examination, this respective channel will be helpful to you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this. Bye.